Hey guys, I just got a quick little hack for you today. If you take a regular Sawzall blade like this and you grind the teeth off of it, you can put a bevel on it, and it works great with a Sawzall for cutting cardboard. So here's the Sawzall I'm using. It's a little Milwaukee hacksaw, and that works great for this because it's so lightweight. But let's take a look at how it can cut. I think where this thing is really going to shine is when you start doing thicker boxes. You got a lot of them, like maybe an automotive shop or something, where you got a whole bunch of parts coming in and you got to break the boxes down. So let's just go ahead and take a look. All right. Well, that's the thin cardboard, and here's the thick stuff. Now brace that against the table. Straight through the thick stuff too. So there you go. That's all.